Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect to the RDS MySQL database from your local machine. Let's start by searching for RDS on the AWS Console, then click on Databases. Hit Create Database, then select MySQL with free tier template. Give your DB instance a name, then select a username and password. I'm going to leave in the default values for most of the configuration options. However, for public access, I'm going to say yes. After hitting the Create Database button, you should see your instance name in Creating Status. Once the status changes to backing up, you're ready to connect. Next, click on your database instance and copy the endpoint. Now open a database client from your local machine, for example Dbeaver, right-click on Connections, then hit Create Connection. Select MySQL, then click on Next. Paste your endpoint in the server host text box, then enter your username and password. Before you click Test Connection, go back to AWS and click on your VPC security group. Click on the Inbound Rules tab, then hit Edit Inbound Rules. Click on Add Rule, then for Custom TCP, enter 3306 for port. For source, you can select Anywhere IP or My IP, then hit Save. Since I already have a similar rule, I'm getting an already exists error, so I'm just going to click on Cancel. Go back to Dbeaver and hit Test Connection. Seems to be working as expected. Hit Finish, and now you should be able to expand your connection. Looks like there's a default database called sys that already exists. So I'm going to right click on it and click on Open SQL Script. Here you can write a query like select star from sys.sys_config and execute it. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.